হাতে কাটবো
এটা এটা আছে এখানে
আচ্ছা ভূমিতা, তুমি যে মা দুর্গার মতো করে সেজে এসেছো, ভালো লাগছে? কোনটা ভালো লাগছে? একটুখানি না, কতটা? অনেকটা ভালো লাগছে। আচ্ছা অজিত দা, তুমি তোমার কাজটা ছেড়ে দাও, আমি চলে যাই।
তুমি বলবে আছে
Discipline brings success.
আচ্ছা তো তোমার কাছে সাকসেস বলতে কি বুঝবে
Success is not about just getting some numbers or getting promotion or some personal growth. It's about how consistent you are working on something and you are dealing with very big things. That is called success. Hello, my name is Amrita Bhautik and today I'm going to deliver a speech whose topic is discipline brings success. As we all know that Ma Durga has fought about 9 nights and it shows that only consistently we can get the success. And success is not about just getting some number, a promotion or some personal growth. It's about how consistent you are and how you are dealing every day with some sorts of problems. And when you are dealing with problems and you are doing something to achieve that dream which you are dreaming of, that will be your success. Thus, we understand that persistence and discipline brings success. Thank you for being attention. Happy Diwali.